Akshay Verma and intern with Lexis and Company, and today in this video I will be dealing with a case named Nand Kishore versus State of Madhya Pradesh. So the case number is just a second, Criminal Appeal number 94 of 2019. It was appealed in the Supreme Court of India. The bench consists of Honorable Chief Justice of India, that is S.A. Bobde, Honorable Justice N. Nageshwara Rao, and Honorable Justice R. Subhash Reddy. So the date of the judgment is January 18, 2019. Head notes of the case includes in the Indian Penal Code 1860, Section 302, 363, 366, 376, and of CRPC Section 354 Clause 3, Section 235 and Section 366, and of Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, Section 5 and 6. Facts of the case includes the following. A minor girl that is deceased, aged about 8 years, and had gone to attend a mela along with her younger brother named Chunnu on 3rd February 2013. The appellant, who is aged about 50 years, then took away the deceased from the mela and committed rape and murdered her. Narendra informed the police, stating that his daughter, who had gone to attend the mela, had not returned home. Upon such complaint, a case was registered and investigation commenced. During investigation, Amit Maurya informed that informed the investigating officer that when he was coming to his shop from residence, he saw a dog running with a leg of a child in its mouth, and on being chased, the dog dropped the leg and ran away. Investigating officer found a headless body of the deceased in the bushes near the Dussehra Maidan in Bhopal. It was alleged that the left leg of the deceased was found 100 meters from the same area, and both the legs were fractured. Further, it was noticed that there was several injuries on the private parts of the deceased inflicted by the appellant, due to which the intestine had come out. During the process of investigation, the statement of the appellant was recorded, and the blood-stained clothes and articles he used for the offence was recovered from his house. After completing the investigation, the appellant was charged for the offence punishable under Section 363, 366, 376 Clause 2 1 and 302 of IPC, and Section 5 and 6 of Protection of Children from Sexual Offence Act 2012. The trial court, after appreciating the evidence on record, which is mainly circumstantial, concluded that the appellant has committed rape on the minor girl and murdered her, and further by recording finding that the crime committed by the appellant is heinous and barbaric, falls within the category of rarest of the rare case, imposing the death sentence. In view of the award of death sentence, the trial court had made a reference to the High Court for confirmation, as contemplated under Section 366 of CRPC. The criminal appeal was filed by the appellant before the High Court of Madhya Pradesh at Jabalpur, aggrieved by the judgment dated on 25th June 2013. The High Court answered the reference in affirmative by confirming the death sentence awarded to the appellant. So the facts of the issue: there's just one issue, which is whether the case the issue is whether the case at the hand is one of the rarest of the rare case to impose death penalty. So the judgment of the case is, the court had following judgments. The case on the hand will not fall within the rarest of the rare case. The court modified the sentence to that of the life imprisonment with actual period of 25 years without any benefit of remission. The sentence imposed for all offences shall run concurrently. So this was held by the court. Hope you liked the video. Thank you so much.